I wanted to throw my hat in the ring for my best purchases of 2023. I shop like it's my job, and that's because it kind of is. I work in fashion. Part of my job is trend shopping, so I will travel and shop stores, see what's out there. It's a lot of fun. These are my favorite things that I bought this year. Starting with clothing, the J. Crew Shrunken Cashmere crew neck sweater was my best knit purchase. It is $118 regular price. They go on sale a lot. I'm wearing the gray one now. I recommend sizing up. The fit is perfect. Quality is fine for the price, and I love them. Number 2 in clothing is an Acne Studios oversized denim jacket that I bought when I was in Stockholm. I'll show you guys a picture. I have worn it into the ground. It is the best jacket I've ever bought. It's the only denim jacket I feel like I need. It's obviously huge. This is before I ever washed it. It's gotten a little bit boxier now, but I throw it over everything. I think it's perfect for traveling, layering. Bought a Malin Bergère trench coat when I was in Italy. It's definitely pricier, but it's the only trench coat I will ever need. I just took this screenshot from a video in my camera roll where I was doing like an outfit of the day. This is the trench. It is absolutely perfect. I can't recommend it enough. Okay, moving into accessories, the best pair of shoes I bought this year were a pair of Stuart Weitzman booties off the RealReal. They are a pointed toe suede sock booty in black. I got for $92. Stuart Weitzman has terrible resale value, so I always look on the RealReal first for those. They are the perfect everyday sock boot, and I feel like you could buy it from Steve Madden. It's not too high of a heel. I can walk around in it. It works with everything. Best shoe ever. This doesn't count as like a purchase because it's from my mom and I's brand, but the bag that I would buy 10 times over if I had to is from 49 Square Miles. It's called the Coastal Slouch. It is my everyday work bag. It's just a leather hobo. It fits everything I need. I carry my laptop in this. It is perfect. It's unlined, lightweight. For jewelry, this doesn't really count as like my purchase because my fiance bought them for me, but I got a pair of diamond studs. I'm wearing them now. These are 1 carat each, so 2 carat total weight studs. I feel like for the longest time I was trying to find like the perfect earring stack, and I would buy a lot of different earrings and nothing just looked right, and I was like, I'm done with the madness, so I just wanted studs. Another like fun purchase that was not a big investment were blue light glasses from Amazon. For work, I'm staring at a computer screen all day. I'm also on my phone a disgusting amount. I got these from Amazon that are fun. Like I feel like it just adds color. These are also Amazon. They're just cute. These are filthy, but they're fun. For some like beauty things, Botox will always be money well spent to me. I do my forehead, my 11s, and my crow's feet. I feel like it just makes my skin smoother. I don't have makeup on right now. I just have my sunscreen, and I will get Botox forever. Also in beauty are Russian manicures. They are expensive. I think I pay like $100 each manicure, but they last for so long. This is over 2 weeks of grow out, and I feel like my hands just look cleaner. My nails look healthier, and that money has been worth it to me so far. Laser hair removal is absolutely essential in my life. I cannot imagine going back. I go to Sev Laser. I feel like they're priced really well. You definitely have to do a lot of treatments, but that is money that I will never regret spending.